风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey there, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係妹長。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。我们这个月都在教一些这种所谓的一字多音嘛，破音字。那我一个想到的就是好这个字啊，比如好客变成好，好天气还就是好。那客语是不是也如此啊？
一样，好客的话就变好客。
好客 ，OK, that means you're fond of treating people. 好客。
对。
But 如果是好天气 good weather
就会后甜
Yeah, of course 后甜 that means good. Okay, let's put these phrases into use. For instance, 他很好客，不时邀我们去他家聚餐。He is very fond of having people over and inviting us to have dinner at his place.
激動好客三不二時會炒奶條去夾屋卡打丟絲
是
很可愛吧？聚餐
打牙祭那種感覺，
對，類似那種感覺。
Okay, that means to eat at his place and having us over to treat us, basically 好客。And then in another way of using the word 好 is good. So 希望跨年晚上會有好天氣。Let's hope the weather is going to be good for New Year's Eve.
希望跨年幾年安補
後天會好天氣就對了。So let's review these two ways of saying 好客 OK, 不是那個綠巨人浩克哦，是 fond of having guests over, and then 好天氣後天 that means great weather. Well, I'm Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening to Daily Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.